Hey everyone, it's Sia here from Heal Love Now. And today I'd like to share with you all the things that I've used to deal with the feminine um, struggles that we all face throughout our childbearing years and beyond. So, first of all, the symptoms that I have had to address are um, PMS, heavy cramping during my menstrual cycle, hot flashes, night sweats, thyroid imbalance, hyperthyroid, multiple chemical sensitivity, intense allergies to smells, to um, foods, to fabrics and linen. I have been on a 10-plus year mission to resolve these issues within my body in the most natural way possible without the use of any pharmaceuticals, without going to doctors, just by getting in tune with my body and what it is that my body is calling for through the presentation of these symptoms. I've always felt that the body can heal itself, that it's very capable and very able to discern what it needs in order to thrive. And the way that it communicates it to me, to us, is through the symptoms. It's telling you, hey, this is what um, is out of balance, and let's find the ways to um, come into harmony so that this symptom can go away. So these are some of the items that I've used, and I'm just going to share them with you one by one. They are not in any order of value. Um, they all they've all been very beneficial to me in different ways at different times. So this is a homeopathic remedy, and it's from Net Remedies, and it's so amazing because homeopathy is just the essence of different um, ingredients and items that have been sort of condensed down to their most elemental level and made into a formula that is very close to vibrational healing because there's no real substance there. It's just the energy of the um, of the herb or the um, stone or crystal or um, vitamin or whatever it is, whatever the healing component is. It's microscopic or atomic when it's brought into a homeopathic remedy. This one is called yin yang balance, and it's a spray. And so, whenever I would um, have allergies to chemicals or any kind of aroma or smell that was strong, positive or negative, this homeopathic remedy is very, very helpful for that. And then um, this is wild yam. Wild yam is so amazing with regards to imbalances in the feminine energy, and when your hormones start to react in a way that is fight or flight, adrenal fatigue, thyroid imbalance, cramps, hot flashes, insomnia, all those things that result from your hormones being out of whack. Wild yam is amazing for. And I've tried a lot of different creams. The ones that I found that work best um, are the ones that are really natural and don't have a lot of extra ingredients or preservatives in them. Just the basic butters, shea or cocoa or um, olive oil, and then essential oils, no fragrance oils, and then the wild yam. So this is a really good one. It's by Skin Biome. And then this one is wild yam salve. And this is really great for um, actually massaging into your um, erogenous zones. It's really, it smells really beautiful and it's really silky. And then it also has the wild yam extract in it. And so it's really great for a massage of your woman parts. Um, and this is by Wise Ways Herbals. And I'm going to put these items in my Amazon store so that you can go right to it and be able to access everything. And then another thing that I really love, another wild yam cream, is by Moon Maid. And this one is awesome. I love this one. Um, this one is great for if you're having a hot flash or night sweat, and if you can't sleep. So it works right here on your um, wrist, just rubbing that cream in. It's so potent, and I just love it. It's like a lifesaver. Immediately as you're having a hot flash, you can just rub it, and it smells really good, all natural. And I found that it just knocks the hot flash out immediately. Yeah. And it helps you to sleep. So wild yam is a natural root that has progesterone in it without any kind of chemical, uh, pharmaceutical, or man made influence. It's just a natural derivative in that herb, in that plant. So I really love it. And I actually make a wild yam cream myself. So I just mix it up. Isn't that so luscious and perfect? I mix up all the shea butter from Ghana. I put cocoa butter, olive oil, grapeseed oil. I put lavender, and I put wild yam. I extract the wild yam from the root, and it comes out really, really luscious. And it's so great to have a homemade version of some of these products because you get to infuse it with whatever is very um, unique to you and special, and then your own energy as well, your healing intentions. So I love to do that. And I have a recipe for that in another video. I think it's called Wild Yam DIY that you can look at if you want to make it yourself. And I also sell that cream on my website if you want to just get it direct from me. So moving on to some other things that I use. So yeah, this estrogen cream is really great too for cramps, for premenstrual tension, worry, anxiety, also insomnia. And this one you can rub like on your boobs, just a little bit. It's really powerful and potent. And again, it's all natural. It has a little bit more stuff in it um, than some of these other ones, but the ingredients are uh, pretty clean, straightforward, has lots of herbal extracts in it with natural estrogens. So this one is really good. It's called Vigority Estrogen Cream. And and so I love homeopathic remedies. And I told you about that spray. So these are little tablets, little pellets that you put under your tongue. And um, I use Ignatia, which is really great for um, tension, premenstrual tension, when you're trying to sleep, or like worry, fear, any kind of anxiety that comes up, pain, um, on your when you're on your period. Ignatia is good. And then there's another one. I can't remember the name of it right now. I want to say it's Laurel, but I will. That will also be in my store, um, and I'll list all these things in the um, in the chat. And another item from Forefront Health is molecular progesterone complex. And I use this with the thyroid, um, activated thyroid, which are pills. And basically, these are for if you have hyperthyroid or adrenal fatigue or a goiter, swelling on your neck. These are all things that I've had. And then the stress that comes with it, like heart palpitations, um, not being able to turn off, not being able to calm down, not being able to relax, being always on. These have been really good from Forefront Health. So this one is it's like a kind of creamy, oily liquid that you put under your tongue. And it had a really potent effect. I used it for some months and then I stopped using it because it felt like it had done it had done its job. Um, but I still take the thyroid pills, and unfortunately, I didn't bring that over here. But it's from the same company, and it's basically like a thyroid. It's a supplement to your thyroid gland to help it to stop overproducing thyroid. So that has been very, very helpful for me. And then, uh, yep. Oh, so then the essential oils. These are really great. They are, this one is cardamom, but I have a lot of different um, flavors, so to speak, like peppermint, turmeric. Um, and you just put them on you can put it in an oil carrier or you can put it right on your skin. Oh, it smells so good. And it really helps to just just relax you, to just balance out. Just getting that aroma. Yeah. So this is something that you can use throughout the day. And I have all different uh, essential oils, all the different. It's like wearing perfume without the added extra stuff. It's just the pure essence of the plant. And it goes right into your spirit. I mean, you can just, and then that helps you with going into some of the other practices that are not products that can help you to mitigate and balance your um, hormones and your feminine energy and um, your cycles throughout the month and over the years. And that's like yoga, doing yoga, and then the breath work. So just breathing in. So wonderful. So I wanted to share that with you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Um, I'd love to help you out on your journey, give you guidance. I do holistic health coaching as well, and you can certainly um, ask me anything. And yeah, we can do this. We can be in our best selves as women, fully balanced and integrated in our bodies, in our minds, and our spirits. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Peace.